The 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc is finally coming into clear focus, marking an important new chapter for one of Volkswagen's most successful global SUVs. Newly leaked images, accidentally revealed through VW's own infotainment system, similar to past leaks of the Golf GTI and Touareg, give us our first true look at the redesigned compact crossover ahead of its expected launch in late 2025 or early 2026. Although Volkswagen hasn't officially confirmed the release timeline, anticipation is already building, especially in markets where the T-Roc consistently ranks among the top-selling vehicles. Positioned between the Taos and Tiguan, the new T-Roc fills a crucial space in Volkswagen's lineup and remains one of Europe's highest-selling cars, competing closely with models like the Renault Clio, VW Golf, and Dacia Sandero. Globally, it was VW's second best-selling model last year, surpassed only by the Tiguan. And with demand for compact, fuel-efficient crossovers continuing to rise, this redesign arrives at the perfect moment. The most dramatic changes appear at the front, where the 2026 T-Roc adopts a wider grille with bold hexagonal openings, sharper aerodynamic lines, and sleeker headlights connected by a full-width LED light bar, giving it a cleaner, more modern presence. From the side, the SUV looks more refined, with a slightly longer front overhang, new black and silver alloy wheels, smoother body surfaces, and the familiar thick C-pillar and tapered rear window that maintain its sporty, coupe-like profile. The rear sees its own major overhaul, with redesigned taillights, a continuous LED strip, and a reshaped tailgate and bumper that elevate its premium appearance. Under the skin, the 2026 T-Roc now rides on the MQB Evo platform, the same architecture used for the updated Golf MK 8.5, bringing improved rigidity and support for new electrified and hybrid powertrains. While Volkswagen hasn't confirmed final engine options, expectations include turbocharged petrol engines with mild hybrid technology, a likely T-Roc R performance model using the Golf R's 2.0-liter turbo engine, and growing hope for a future plug-in hybrid variant.